So guys, when you are stretching the wig, make sure that your stretcher is in its lowest heat. Okay, remember you are working with a synthetic hair, so make sure that the heat of the stretcher is very low. Okay, remember you can equally do this with a pressing iron. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you people how I made this blunt cut wig, okay, using a braiding hair, using attachment. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. So guys, for this wig making, this is the tools that I'll be using: our crochet pin, our ventilating pin, hair cream, and a comb. Okay, then a dumb cap. Okay, this is the tools we'll be needing: a scissors for cutting, and then the braiding hair that we'll be using. Guys, remember in the first part of this video I showed you guys how you can actually blend your own ombre extension. Okay, so guys, this is the start of this wig making. So I just went ahead and rubbed some hair cream on the extension, then I have to then comb it out. Guys, I have to comb it out. You guys should remember this ombre extension. Okay, in the first part of this video I showed you guys how you can actually achieve that. If you have not watched that video, please consider watching it so you can equally see how you will be able to blend your own any color of your choice. Maybe you have this color in your hair that you want, but you can't get it in the market. You can actually do that yourself. Okay, you can blend and get your own customized ombre extension. So guys, for this wig making, first thing is to start crocheting. Guys, we will crochet and we will still ventilate. Okay, so for the crocheting part, I just go in with my crocheting pin, pick small part of the braiding hair or the extension, then I knot twice. Guys, do this, you have to knot it twice so I do not end up losing. Okay, so I go ahead and crochet small part of the hair, just small. I'm not counting the strands of hair I'm picking. I'm not counting it, but make sure you are picking just small parts. Then go ahead and crochet it in, then knot it twice. Okay, you have to knot it twice, just the way you see me do. Okay, so I'm going to continue this way till I fill out the remaining space. I'm not doing any magic here. What I'm just doing is just crocheting in the extension by knotting it twice. You crochet in, then you knot twice. You crochet, then you knot twice. That's just what I'm doing, guys, without giving much space. Do not give much space on the down cap. Okay, so I will not end up having a scanty wig. So guys, after the crocheting part, this is how the wig is looking so far. So the next thing is to start ventilating the closure parts. Okay, remember the dump cap that we are using. I've already sewed in my 4x4 closure on the dump cap. Okay, so you can use any kind of or any size of lace that you want, either 2x4, 2x6, 4x4, anyone you want. You can equally make it a frontal wig. Okay, so just use any size of a Swiss lace that you want. For me, I'm using a 4x4 closure. So for the closure making, I'm ventilating on a line. I skip a line. I'm using the vertical horizontal pattern of ventilation. If you don't understand what I mean by this pattern of ventilation, please check out my channel. Okay, I have videos on the 4 patterns of ventilation and there are different uses. Okay, so guys, this is simply what I'm doing on a slower motion. Okay, I ventilate on a line, I skip a line, I ventilate a hole, I skip a hole, picking just 2 strands of hair, guys. I'm not picking more than 2. But for the crochet part, I didn't count the amount of hair I was picking. The only thing I know that I pick just small, not in large amounts. Okay. So guys, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. So all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And if you know you are finding any value from this video, why not hit the like button? Okay, give this video a thumbs up. If you are confused in any way, maybe you don't understand what I did in any part of this video, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I will attend to all your questions and confusion. So I'm simply ventilating on a line, and I skip a line, I ventilate on a hole, and then I skip a hole, picking just 2 strands of hair, guys. I'm not picking more than 2. Remember, the extension I'm using is an OMBRE extension, which I customize myself. Check out my channel. The last video I dropped is exactly how I got to get this OMBRE expression that I bladed myself. You might not really see the actual color, okay? You might not really see because of the light, but trust me, the color was amazing. So guys, the next thing is to start ventilating. Okay, sorry, to start stretching. For this stretching part, you can use your stretcher, or if you don't have a stretcher, you can use a pressing iron. But please make sure that the heat is very low, at the lowest. Okay, make sure that the heat is very low. You don't need a very hot stretcher or pressing iron, because you're working with a synthetic, so that you not end up getting the wig burnt. Okay, so what I'm just doing, I pick small amount of the hair. Okay, I first of all go with my comb, I comb it out, then I stretch. Okay, I stretch in a very low heat, and I don't stretch it much. Okay, I don't stretch it much, I just stretch a bit, then I let go. Remember, you can equally do this with your pressing iron if you don't have a stretcher, but make sure the heat is very low, at its lowest heat, guys, so that you not end up getting the wig burnt. So guys, when I'm done with the stretching, then it's time for me to do the blunt cut. Okay, so this is our wig. It's time for me to do the blunt cut. Okay, I make sure that everything is equal. My dumb cap, my dummy head is in a straight position, because I don't want to have hanging, some parts hanging or the other parts being longer than the other. Okay, so you have to make sure that your your dummy head is very straight. Okay, so this is me cutting the wig to actually get my blunt cut wig. Okay, using my scissors. So guys, I'm simply cutting, okay, making a blunt cut for the wig. So this is basically what I'm doing. Remember, this is after stretching. Okay, after stretching the wig. So this is basically the last part of this wig making. Okay, if you want yours to be long, you don't want a blunt cut, when you are done with your stretching, then you can leave it. It depends on the length you want it, but for me, I want a blunt cut wig. Okay, so that's why I'm cutting it, making it a blunt cut wig. So So guys, if you found any value from this video, please consider subscribing. Okay, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube will notify you. And please guys, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, give this video a thumbs up, it really helps. Please don't forget to subscribe guys. Thank you guys. So guys, here comes our blunt cut wig made with a braiding extension. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.